Today we're at 241 West 108th Street, and I'm a real estate broker. I'm here to tell you about all the amazing details of this 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment with an amazing roof deck. But instead of having me describe it, I'm going to let the pictures speak for themselves.
You're not going to talk about this neighborhood? I'm the Upper East Side guy, but I drive up here for a lot of different things. I come up here to get Mama's 2 Pizza, best pizza in New York City as far as I'm concerned. I come up here for Absolute Bagels, one of the top bagel places in Manhattan. And my family and I tour Columbia University. We go to St. John's the Divine. We hit the park and ride our bikes and jog down to the World Trade Center and back. This is a great neighborhood, Mark. You need to talk about it.
I think you just did.
Everybody loves my baby, but my baby don't love nobody but me. Nobody but me. Everybody wants my baby, but my baby don't want nobody but me. Nobody but me. Now when my baby kisses me,